It was interesting to know that there's so many components in a computer, and it was fun putting it in. I kind of want to go home and tear my computer apart just to see if I can put it back together.
Today we had some 7th graders in, and we built a PC with all the components, and we had each student put one of those components in and turned it on and tested it. What I love most about the tours is when the kids come in and they do something that they didn't think they could do.
I learned that there's problems even they don't know how to fix.
If we don't teach the kids growing up about technology, they're going to have a difficult time in the future understanding it. But if we can get them to understand it at a base level and grow with the technology through their education, they'll have a much easier time adapting to it when it's time to go into the job market.